Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to size your client's press-on nails instead of sending a kit out to them through the mail. So first, you're going to have your client send a picture of their hand. Make sure that all their fingers are close together next to a quarter, dime, penny, or anything that they might have, some kind of coin. So you will place that same coin that you have on the phone and make sure to measure it up for the exact same size as a quarter or whatever you have. Then you're going to make sure that the nail that you're placing fits sidewall to sidewall, and you're going to do the same thing for their other fingers. And for the thumb, you want to have your client send a separate picture, placing the thumb flat on their desk, and you do the same repeating process that you did for the other nails. And this should be the end result of your client's nails. Watch part 2 to watch me make this set.